In this lecture, we will simply talk about arcsine x. Based on the graph of y equals arcsine x, we need to find the domain, the range, and we need to tell is the function increasing or decreasing, and we need to tell the specific question, is arcsine -2 defined or not. You know, this is the picture, okay, and you can clearly see that arcsine x is from -1 to +1. So what is the domain then? And we can immediately write the domain is from -1 to +1. Okay. Now we know arcsine is to find the angle. The angle is from where to where? Yeah, here is the range. It's from -π/2 to the +π/2. So the range, you may want to say that's from -π/2 to the +π/2. Of course, you see, when x goes from -1 to +1, y goes from -π/2 to +π/2. You see, it's increasing. Huh? So here we want to say increasing. Okay. Now, this question, is arcsine -2 defined? You know, -2 is actually a value, and -2 is outside of this domain. On the picture, -2 is somewhere on the left-hand side of -1. Then we will say no. Okay, arcsine -2 is not defined. On the calculator, you may turn on your calculator, and then if you do sine inverse, that's arcsine. If you put -2 there, close parentheses, and then if you hit enter, you will get a mistake. You see, okay. It will say error domain. Okay, so that means the number we put in is not correct. Okay, so you have to change a number there. If you change a number, let's say 0.5 there, you hit enter, it will give you the answer. Okay, so this example is not hard, very basic. We need to remember it. Okay, I'll see you next time.